Yo, what's going on, guys? Spets here, and I got another one of these boxes. This is box number 4. I'll make it quick. We're gonna rip straight into it. I really want to get the complete collection here, so let's get right into it. Alright, crate number 4. 3, 2, 1. Come on, doesn't want to open. This one's a little tight. Oh! Yes! That's the backhoe. Wow, I can't believe this. This is my 4th box, and I already have 4 unique vehicles. Fantastic. Even this. No clue what this is, but this is, okay, clearly another barricade. Definitely a unique one, and obviously the dirt. Fantastic. Thank you for watching.